All right, so this question reads, a florist is filling a customer's order for 3 bouquets, bouquet 1, bouquet 2, and bouquet 3. Each of the bouquets is to be composed of one or more of 5 kinds of flowers: lilies, peonies, roses, snapdragons, and tulips, subject to the following conditions. Okay, so we have lilies, peonies, roses, snapdragons, and tulips. And we have 3 different bouquets. 1, 2, 3. We know each of the bouquets to be composed of one or more of 5 kinds of flowers. So we have at least one flower in each of the bouquets. Now, let's go to the rules. Rule number 1, bouquets 1 and 3 cannot have any kind of flower in common. So, 1 and 3 do not have anything in common. So, what that tells us is neither 1 nor 3 can have all 5 of the types of flowers. Because if bouquet 1 has all 5 flowers, bouquet 3 also has to have at least one of the flowers and one will overlap. So at most, one of bouquet 1 or 3 can have 4 flowers, but neither of them can have all 5. All right, rule number 2. Bouquet 2 and 3 must have exactly 2 kinds of flowers in common. So we know 2 and 3 have exactly 2 in common. Rule number 3, bouquet 3 must have snapdragons. So we have snapdragons in bouquet 3. And if we have snapdragons in bouquet 3 and we know that bouquets 1 and 3 don't have anything in common, that tells us that bouquet 1 does not have snapdragons. Rule number 4, if a bouquet has lilies, that bouquet must also have roses but cannot have snapdragons. So if lilies, then roses and not snapdragons. Contrapositive, if not roses or snapdragons, then not lilies. So we know bouquet 3 has snapdragons, and that triggers the contrapositive of rule number 4, meaning bouquet 3 does not have lilies. And rule number 5, if a bouquet has tulips, that bouquet must also have peonies. So if tulips, then peonies. Contrapositive, if not peonies, then not tulips. All right, so it's our rules, our deductions, and our setup. Let's go ahead and hit the questions.